Hello my chat partners, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys can see me. I might have to record this standing up the other way, because I know when I take off and start driving, it's gonna it look like a big chicken nugget I'm not eating. I don't know if I burgered in half or it was just like that in the bag or what I ain't eating. It would just be my luck. Go in and finish watching the last episode of You. That's just unrealistic, because the first season when he was stalking that girl, she doing all that stuff she was doing with the windows and stuff all over their windows like that. I feel like, I'll be like, wait a minute, why I feel like somebody watching me or something. And I was getting ready to go in my living room, had the pantry light off and another light off in the kitchen. I walked by my, like, something was standing there looking at me and it had like a glare on it. Y'all, when I tell you, I just kept walking by. But yeah, y'all, I'm back. So, but yeah, I just felt like something was watching me. I was like, I just kept walking. Okay, y'all, let me go in this house and sit down and wind down from the day. And
I just talked to my sister. She's on the way to pay the ticket now. I already know she had to go. Come around and tell me.
I guess everybody always on their way to pay the ticket. They just paid it, just called it, or they own it.
Third floor.
I just wanted to come in and check with you guys really quick. So sorry y'all can't see me because the lighting. I think that's better. Then it might not be better. That's a little bit better. But sorry, this is bad lighting out, but it's like after 6 o'clock in my car. Just waiting for the traffic to go down a little bit so I can leave out. I just wanted to come in and check with you guys real quick. My hair ain't looking all that great. I actually went to the dermatologist today for my hair. In my previous video, I suffer from hair loss, like up in the area here. Went to the dermatologist today to see about that. So, got some answers to a lot of my questions. I have a new regimen that I have to do for my hair. I will share with you guys later on in the video once I get up to par with my new hair regimen, as far as just different things I have to use on my hair that was prescribed for me. So once I start using the shampoo, etc., and other things that I have to use, I'll do a video on it for you guys. But before I do a video, I want to just try the products out for me to get used to it and this new lifestyle change that I have to do. And once I do that and see how everything goes, see how everything affects me, then I'll record a video and upload it for you guys with the dermatologist about all the moles that I have. They're not benign, they don't look bad, it's just like skin tags. I have a bunch of them. And she was telling me that I can do like a cosmetic procedure. The only thing about the cosmetic procedure is that my insurance wouldn't pay for it. It would have to be paid out of pocket. And she was telling me that it would be a price per mole. So each mole, it would cost to take each mole off. I didn't ask her how much it cost, because I was like, we'll regroup about that when I have to go back for a follow-up. But I was like, yo, I got like over 20 moles on my neck alone, so I can only imagine how much that bill would be, like, per mole. I'm like, I was thinking to myself, like, can you get a package deal with that? Like, if it's 5 or more, you get a discount or something? Like, and it's one of those things, y'all, to be totally honest with y'all, I don't like going to the doctor because I feel like when you start looking for stuff, that's when you start finding stuff. I'm not just going to say that because it sounds so negative and wrong, but I really do need to see what's going on with my body, what's going on with myself. Me doing YouTube and filming videos has been my push to really focus on taking better care of myself. It's really one of my motivations, besides my family, as far as my daughter, my boyfriend, my parents, you know, those are my motivation. Okay, guys, let me go. The traffic has died down some, and plus, what do die down mean, y'all? We always be like, it didn't die down. Let me get on this road and go on. Supposed to be hanging out with my daughter tonight. hanging out with my daughter and my boyfriend tonight. So, oops, we getting ready to do some things, but I'm just getting ready to go on and take it on to the house. I'll check in with you guys later.